Hi, this is Jeff Morgan, and today I want to talk to you about why a comprehensive information security plan is so important for your business and how you can build one using ISO IEC 27000. So, if you're an executive or manager in any size business in the public or private sector, you're in the right place. From a business point of view, why should you even care about information security? You've got people to handle that, right? Well, I'll tell you why you should care. Information security problems can cost you serious money and do immeasurable damage to your business. The business impact of an information security problem can result in lost revenue, expensive remediation, litigation, fines, disclosure of proprietary information, and serious damage to the reputation of your business. Information security should be baked into your operations. It should be overseen by the board and senior executives and not simply delegated to an IT department or vendors. It should be a core part of your business plans and operations. How do you build a comprehensive security program for your organization? The simple answer is to use an existing framework, of which there are many. In my opinion, the simplest framework to start with, especially if you don't currently have an existing information security plan, is the ISO IEC 27000 series. ISO IEC 27001 was adopted in 2005 by the International Organization for Standardization and revised in 2013. At 30 pages, the document is compact and the entire standard is enumerated in 22 pages. In the US, the standard is available from the NC Web Store for $138, and various packages are available that contain additional components of the standard for a discounted price. The standard is jargon-free and scalable for organizations ranging in size from very small enterprises to the largest multinational companies. It's technology neutral, and the entire family of standards contains 45 documents that address implementation, risk management, application security, preservation of digital evidence, and much, much more. 8 relevant sections of the document address context of the system within your organization, leadership and management responsibilities, planning, support, operation, performance evaluation, continual improvement, and the final section provides control objectives and controls. At this point, you might be saying, Jeff, enough of this policy business. What stuff can I buy that will keep me safe? Depending on what research you read, somewhere between 60 and 90% of all security problems are a result of human mistakes. The belief that hardware and software products, firewalls, anti-malware products, application layer gateways, and other devices can inherently keep your information safe by themselves is pure fantasy. Policy, process, and procedure may sound incredibly boring, but they are the things that actually improve security. Standards and frameworks are the most efficient way to get there. Security hardware and software are necessary components of your overall information security program, and determining what those requirements are is part of the process. What's the key to a solid information security management system? Executive oversight, or as ISO standards like to call it, top management participation. Many organizations have homegrown, do-it-yourself information security programs. These systems are often developed without the kind of expert input that has gone into development of standards like those from ISO, ISACA, and NIST. The component most often lacking in these programs is executive and board-level responsibility and accountability for information security, and this lack of management attention is evident in many of the big information security breaches that come to public attention. Why is management participation so important? For one reason, it's likely that your IT staff and vendors may not completely understand your business processes, models, long-term goals, and risk appetite. Moreover, they probably lack the authority to develop and enforce appropriate policies. Is certification necessary? Some organizations may have a compelling reason to certify, but certification is not necessary if you simply wish to improve your situation and develop a comprehensive information security management system. However, you should conduct periodic objective risk assessments at defined intervals. If you're concerned about information security in your organization, here are some questions you should ask. Does your organization have a comprehensive program? Has your organization experienced problems like malware infections, ransomware, or data loss? What frameworks or standards are you using? Are your board members and executives involved in your information security program? Do they receive routine reports on the effectiveness of your organization's information security program? Does your organization conduct periodic risk assessments? And does your organization have a clear, comprehensive policy on which all employees have been trained? If you don't have good answers, you should really take a look at developing a comprehensive security program using standards from ISO or other organizations. Remember, information security problems are bad for business and they cost real money, which may be the best reason to get started with a program. Thanks for watching, and feel free to send me an email if you'd like to talk about information security problems in your organization.